Your 401k is like a gym membership. You pay into it for 30 years and still hope it magically turns into abs at retirement. But here's the professional truth behind the joke. Your 401k might be the most powerful wealth building tool you ever ignore. Today, we break down how maximizing your 401k can realistically turn into $3 million without needing lottery luck, crypto hype, or a second job flipping sneakers at 2 a.m. If you understand contributions, compounding, employer matches, and time, you're already ahead of most people who think retirement starts someday. Let's make that someday a strategy. Number 1. The 401k is not a savings account. Most people treat their 401k like a savings account with extra steps. They put money in, glance at it once a year, and hope it behaves nicely. But that mindset misses the entire point. A 401k is not designed for short-term storage. It is a long-term wealth-building system built on compounding, tax advantages, and time. Savings accounts are for safety. A 401k is for growth. When you understand this difference, everything changes. You stop asking, how much can I safely put away this month? And start asking, how much future wealth am I willing to build? Because in a 401k, the real driver is not timing the market or chasing trends. It is consistency over decades. Think of it like planting a tree. A savings account is like keeping seeds in a drawer. A 401k is planting them, watering them, and letting time do what it does best. The power comes from reinvesting returns inside a tax-advantaged structure. Over 20, 30, even 40 years, that growth compounds on itself in ways most people underestimate. If you treat it like a savings account, you'll get savings account results. But if you treat it like a long-term investment engine, it becomes one of the most powerful tools on the path to $3 million. Number 2. The employer match is free money. If there is one part of a 401k that feels almost unfair, it is the employer match. It is literally free money sitting on the table, and yet millions of people ignore it or underuse it. Here is how it works. Your employer agrees to contribute a percentage of your salary into your 401k, usually if you contribute first. For example, they might match 50% of what you put in, up to a certain limit. That means every dollar you contribute is instantly boosted before it even has time to grow. Now think long terms. If you consistently capture the full match for 30 years, that is not just extra cash. That is decades of compounded growth on money you never had to earn yourself. That is how small decisions quietly turn into millions. Missing the match is like turning down part of your paycheck and calling it a lifestyle choice. It does not feel dramatic in the moment, but over time it creates a massive gap in retirement wealth. The smartest investors treat the employer match as step 1, not step optional. Before thinking about stocks, timing, or strategy, they make sure they never leave free money behind. Because when it comes to building $3 million, it is not just about what you invest. It is about what you refuse to waste. Number 3. The power of max contributions. If you really want to understand how a 401k turns into $3 million, you have to stop thinking small. This is where max contributions change everything. Most people contribute just enough to feel responsible. Maybe 5%, maybe 10%. But the IRS limit exists for a reason. It is designed for people who want serious long-term wealth, not just a small retirement cushion. Maxing your 401k means consistently putting in the highest allowed amount every year. In 2026, that is $24,500 for single filers. And while that sounds aggressive, the real magic is not the amount alone. It is what that amount does over time. Every extra dollar you contribute is not just saved. It is invested, reinvested, and compounded for decades. That means you are stacking growth on top of growth on top of growth. The earlier and more consistently you max it out, the more powerful the snowball becomes. Think of it like building momentum. Small contributions move slowly. Maximum contributions build speed. And over 30 years, that speed turns into exponential growth that most people underestimate. A $3 million 401k is rarely the result of luck or perfect timing. It is the result of discipline, higher contribution levels, and long-term consistency. The difference between average and wealth is often just how much you choose to contribute when no one is watching. Number 4. Compounding is the real engine. If there is one force that quietly turns a 401k into $3 million, it is not your salary, and it is not timing the market. It is compounding. Compounding is when your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns of their own. It is growth on top of growth, like a snowball rolling downhill and getting bigger every year without you adding more effort. At first, it feels slow. The first few years of a 401k look almost boring. The balance moves, but not dramatically. This is where most people lose patience. They assume nothing is happening. But compounding is just warming up. The real acceleration happens later. After years of consistent contributions, your investment gains start to become a major part of your growth. Eventually, the money your money makes becomes more powerful than the money you personally add. This is why time matters more than timing. The earlier you start, the more cycles of compounding you capture. Even small contributions can grow into massive outcomes if they are left alone long enough. A $3 million 401k is not about working harder. It is about giving compounding enough time and consistency to do what it is designed to do. Here's the math behind it. If you start maximizing your 401k at age 35 until you retire at 67 with annual market returns of 8%, the power of compounding will build your $780,000 total contribution during this time to over $3 million. This is not magic, purely math and compounding. Number 5. Time beats talent. If you think building wealth is about being the smartest investor in the room, you are already overcomplicating it. In a 401k, talent is optional. Time is not. The truth is, most people don't lose because they invest badly. They lose because they start late. And in retirement planning, starting late is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Time is what turns small, consistent contributions into massive outcomes. It allows compounding to do its job quietly in the background, while life happens in the foreground. Every year you wait is not just a missed contribution. It is a missed cycle of growth that can never be fully recovered. Think of it this way. A talented investor who starts late is often beaten by an average investor who simply started earlier and stayed consistent. That is how powerful time becomes. The 401k rewards patience, not perfection. You do not need to predict markets or chase trends. You need years, consistency, and discipline. A $3 million 401k is rarely built by the most skilled investor. It is built by the earliest one who stayed in the game the longest. Because in wealth building, time always beats talent when talent fails to show up early. Number 6. Asset allocation matters. If contributions and time are the fuel of your 401k, then asset allocation is the steering wheel. And without it, even strong contributions can end up going in the wrong direction. Asset allocation simply means how your money is divided between stocks, bonds, and other investments. It sounds technical, but it is really about balancing growth and stability. Too aggressive and your account swings wildly with stress, inducing volatility. Too conservative and your money barely grows fast enough to reach long-term goals like $3 million. The power of a 401k comes from staying invested for decades. But staying invested is easier when your allocation matches your risk tolerance and timeline. Younger investors often lean heavier into stocks for growth. As retirement approaches, many gradually shift toward more stability to protect gains. The key mistake most people make is ignoring allocation completely. They either set it once and forget it, or they randomly chase whatever performed well last year. Both approaches break long-term consistency. A well-designed allocation helps you survive market ups and downs without panic selling. That matters more than people realize, because compounding only works if you stay in the game. Maximizing your 401k is not just about how much you invest. It is about how intelligently that money is positioned to grow and endure over time. Number 7. Fee drag kills wealth silently. Most people focus on returns in their 401k. What did the market do this year? But there is a quieter force working against them that barely gets any attention. It is called fee drag. Fee drag is what happens when small percentage fees slowly eat away at your investment growth over decades. It does not look dramatic. You do not see a big warning sign. It just quietly reduces your balance year after year. Here is the problem. A 1% or 2% fee might sound small, but over 30 years it can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Sometimes even more. That is money that never gets the chance to compound, never gets the chance to grow into millions. Think of it like a slow leak in a tire. You are still moving forward, but not at full speed. And over a long enough distance, that difference becomes huge. Many people unknowingly choose high-cost funds or ignore expense ratios completely. They assume performance is what matters most. But net performance after fees is what actually builds wealth. A low-fee 401k strategy can be the difference between a comfortable retirement and a $3 million portfolio. Because in long-term investing, what you keep matters just as much as what you earn. Number 8. Consistency over emotion. If there is one thing that destroys more 401k wealth than bad investments, it is emotion. People don't usually lose money because the system failed. They lose because they react. The market drops and fear takes over. The market rises and greed whispers louder. Both emotions lead to the same outcome: inconsistency. Consistency is where the real wealth is built. A 401k is designed for automatic contributions over decades, not emotional decisions every few months. When you keep investing through ups and downs, you are doing the one thing most investors fail to do: you stay in the game. Think about it. Market downturns feel uncomfortable, but they are temporary. Missing contributions during those periods does real damage because you remove yourself from the compounding process right when assets are cheaper. On the other side, when markets are booming, people often get overconfident and change strategies or increase risk. That emotional shift usually comes at the worst time. A $3 million 401k is not built by perfect timing. It is built by boring consistency. Same contributions, same discipline, same strategy year after year. Emotion wants action. Wealth rewards patience. And in the long run, consistency always beats emotional decisions. Number 9. Retirement vision planning. If you want to understand how a 401k quietly grows into $3 million, you have to start with something most people skip entirely: retirement vision planning. Most people treat retirement like a vague finish line in the distance. Someday I'll stop working. But without a clear vision, your 401k becomes just another account you check occasionally, not a system you actively optimize. Retirement vision planning is about asking specific questions. What does your life actually look like when you retire? Where do you live? What does your monthly lifestyle cost? Are you traveling, supporting family, or living simply? These details matter because they determine the number your 401k needs to reach. Once the vision is clear, the strategy becomes clearer. Contribution levels, asset allocation, and savings consistency are no longer random decisions. They become aligned steps toward a defined target. This is where most people underestimate the power of planning. When you don't know where you are going, any contribution feels good enough. But when you have a clear retirement picture, you start adjusting behavior with intention. A $3 million 401k doesn't come from guessing. It comes from aligning today's financial decisions with tomorrow's lifestyle reality. In the end, you are not just building a retirement account. You are building a future life with numbers that actually support it. Remember, a $3 million 401k is not luck. It's math, time, and discipline working together quietly in the background while life happens. Your 401k isn't about the market today. It's about the life you design 30 years from now. Consistency, employer match, and compounding turn small decisions into millions. Start early, stay steady, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more long-term wealth strategies. See you in the next video.